In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get lower ping on Roblox. So this can be pretty important for a lot of people. Some people may experience a lot of lag or stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get better ping. So what you want to do is you want to log into your account, of course, and click on the settings icon at the top right and go to settings. And right here you can see your location, and mine is currently set on the Netherlands, and because this is my country, of course. But here's the thing, there's only a select few countries where the Roblox servers are based in, so the closer you are to that country, the better ping you get. So I will probably put it on the screen right now, but these countries have the servers in there. So it's Australia, Germany, Canada, Sweden, and South Korea. And I recommend if you live in Europe, put it on Germany or Sweden. If you live in Australia, just put it on Australia, of course. If you live in America, put it on Canada, and so on and so on. So since my country is already pretty close to Germany, I probably will have good ping already. But if it's not, you can basically just scroll through all the countries, and let's say Germany is right here. Change it to Germany and you will have a better ping. I could also just change it to let's say Sweden. Where is it at? Right here. And just make sure to click on save, and it says save successfully. And now when you start up a game, you should notice you have way better ping than you had before. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.